Hi everyone, this is Jared Education na kung saan nandito si Jared para magbigay ng edukasyon. Hi again, it's me, Jared. I'm back, we're back, and we're here for another education. Now we're gonna talk about simple algebra, which is solving for x. Shall we get started? Madali lang ang pagsasolve ng x. For example, here in number 1, we have x plus 4 is equals to 28. To find the x, we need to transpose the 4 into the equal sign, which is pagka kasi ang number is dumaan sa equal sign, magbabago yung sign niya. So, kung ang positive to, magiging negative 4 siya. So, may iwan si x. So, x equals to 28 minus 4. Then, ima-minus mo na. So, ang magiging value ng x is 24. And that's your x. Diba madali lang? Now, to the second number, which is 10 plus x is equals to 35. Again, ito-transpose ang number doon sa equal sign. So, magbabago ang sign niya. Since positive siya, magiging negative yan. And then, x is equals to 35 minus 10. Ang gagawin mo lang, ima-minus mo lang yung 10 sa 35. So, ang equals ng x is 35. That's the value of another x. Madali lang, di ba? Down to the third example, which is x minus 4 is equals to 15. Ngayon, magbabago lang masyado dahil negative ang 4. But, transpose mo pa rin siya sa equal sign, so magbabago pa rin ang sign niya, so magiging positive 4. Again, may iwan sa x, then 15 plus 4 is equals to 19. That's the value of another x. Down to the last one, which is the number 4 example, or the fourth example, 10x plus 6 is equals to 76. Dito, masyadong mahirap dahil may kasama na yung x. Pero okay lang yan, madali lang yan. X lang yan eh. Again, transpose yung 6 sa equal sign. So, magiging negative siya since positive 6 yan. 10x is equals to 76 minus 6. Ngayon, ima-minus mo muna yung 6 dun sa 76, which becomes 10x is equals to 70. Para matanggal yung 10 sa x, i-divide both sides siya doon sa ka-equal nung 10x. Since kung na-divide both sides na, since makakancel to, since pares lang naman ng value nila, may iwan ng x, then 70 divided by 10 is equals to 7. And that's another value of x. Di ba ang saya matuto ng math? Napakadali lang, lalo na pag alam mo na ang gagawin mo. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something, hit that notification bell and subscribe. Thank you! I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. And if you learned something, hit that notification bell to learn more and then subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.